Understanding reusable sheet masks.
Hello everyone! Today, we're diving deep into the world of skincare to explore a sustainable beauty product that's been catching attention lately: reusable sheet masks. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what they are and how they work.
What is a reusable sheet mask?
A reusable sheet mask is a beauty product designed for skincare routines, similar to the conventional single-use sheet masks. What makes them special is their ability to be washed and used multiple times. These masks are typically made of eco-friendly materials like silicone or cloth fabric, aiming to reduce waste and offer a sustainable skincare alternative.
Why choose reusable over disposable?
1. Eco-friendly. Single-use masks contribute to environmental waste, while reusable masks help in reducing that footprint. 2. Cost-effective. Though the initial investment might be higher, over time, reusable masks save you money as you don't have to repurchase as frequently. 3. Customizable. Many reusable masks allow users to apply their own preferred serums or skincare products, providing a personalized experience.
How does it work?
Using a reusable sheet mask follows a simple procedure. 1. Cleanse. Always start with a clean face. 2. Apply serum or essence. If your mask isn't pre-soaked, you can apply your chosen skincare product generously onto your face. 3. Place the mask. Position the reusable mask onto your face, ensuring it fits snugly. 4. Wait. Let the mask sit for the recommended duration, usually around 15 to 20 minutes. 5. Remove and clean. After using, wash the mask with mild soap and water, then let it air dry for the next use. There you have it, a deep dive into reusable sheet masks. Making eco-friendly choices in our skincare routines can not only be beneficial for our skin but also for our planet. We hope this video has shed some light on the beauty and efficiency of reusable sheet masks. Stay beautiful and eco-conscious.